Apart from being an eyesore, invasive alien plants are detrimental to biodiversity and the ecosystem. According to the South African National Biodiversity Institute, they also exacerbate the effects of climate change and global warming. Invasive trees use about 3 to 5% of runoff water, which is a significant loss for a water-scarce country like South Africa. The Environment, Forestry and Fisheries Department has set aside almost 2.7 billion rand to address this.
Alien invasive species also cause devastating fires. Recently, we saw devastating fires that swept across the Northern Cape and also the Northwest. And one of the reasons that those fires are so devastating is firstly that there are alien invasive species that are not being removed and not being properly managed. And secondly, the reason is that alien invasive species have an additional fuel load and they burn at very, very high temperatures, much higher temperatures than natural vegetation.
RTBS Dam is prone to large amounts of hyacinth plants that almost wiped out the entire fish population in the dam. Short-term contracts that were previously awarded to contractors have been blamed for their failure to clear invasive alien plants. Officials say clearing alien species regularly will restore natural habitats and ecosystem services.
5-year contracts, that then means that from the side of the department, we are being more intentional in terms of sustaining the funding of this program. More than a 3-year period, but over a 5-year, a longer term period.
The National Working for Water program is expected to create almost 40,000 work opportunities annually in rural communities throughout the country over the next 5 years. Offenses Timo, SABC News, Heidelberg.